So you see here like a bluish mica powder as well as like a golden yellow mica powder. You're going to mix a little bit into the resin as well as two acrylic paints that match the mica powder. A yellow one and like a blue tint one. You're going to see me use this epoxy called Sigwan. It's a AB combination, a 1-to-1 ratio. I got this one on Amazon. Mix 30 mLs of A and 30 mLs of B and thoroughly mix it together for about 4 minutes to eliminate bubbles. Afterwards, you're going to split into 2 even cups to add it to the molds. This is optional, but I like to add a little bit of an epoxy resin to the bottom part of my molds to make it easier when pouring the other 2 colors in. Now that we have mixed our resin to our desired color, we're going to go ahead and pour both colors together in our molds. I decided to use these seashells to place in the middle of the molds, only because they were looking a little bit plain to me, but you could do whatever you want to jazz it up a little. Okay, so this is so far how they're looking like. Go ahead and cover them to prevent any dust or insects from getting into them. So it's been about a good 5 hours. I'm going to add about another 3 to 4 mLs of epoxy over top to dome them. This is optional, just so you know. Okay, I have the whatchamacallit, the coasters right here. See how they turn out. Now, look how pretty. I put the little seashell and it's very iridescent, very pretty. And I added some of the blue into the yellow and vice versa with the yellow. Give that burst. Oh, this one, beautiful too. These are just extras. I just, whatever was left over, I mixed it into these two coasters. But yeah, let's start off with the ones I made. The purpose of this video. Oh, I'm excited. What the heck? I'll have to shave that off. Yeah, I'll have to shave that off. There goes the one. No, flip that one. I don't know what happened, but this one has like a little bit, I mean it's flat, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's start off with this one. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow, that's so cool on the other side. I mean, it could be used either way. Like this or like this. Sucks that this is a little bit matte. I might put a layer, you know, to make it of epoxy to make it shiny, but man, it looks so beautiful. Love it. Wish the other colors, these bursts would have came through. Oh my gosh, that one's pretty. Now this one, let's see, when I flip it, see how it has like, I don't know, that's weird. Oh, that one's pretty too. On the other side. So beautiful. Either way, they're beautiful. Okay, now that for the extras. Okay. Very plain. It's not ugly. I like it. I don't like the back, but this came out pretty cool. It looks kind of like an egg yolk. I have to shave the jagged edges. But yeah, these I absolutely love. You can use either side. Either side you can use. And then I'm going to put a gold trim on it. So freaking cool. Okay, so with one of these, you get to take and clean the edges. I already did that off camera. Just very lightly. I just make sure they're smooth. Okay. Same with this other one. So with my pen, I'm going to do my edges. I have a cup where I'm going to lean against it. Now these are my end results. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Like, share, and comment. And I'll see you next week for another video. Thank you and God bless. Bye.